after day, a shepherd boy tended a flock of sheep in the hills above his village. One day, just to cause some excitement, the shepherd boy ran down from the hills shouting, "Wolf! Wolf!" The townsfolk came running with sticks to chase the wolf away. All they found was the shepherd boy, who laughed at them for their pains. Seeing how well his trick worked, the shepherd boy tried it again the next day. Again he ran down from the hills crying, "Wolf! Wolf!" Again the townsfolk ran to his aid in vain. But the day after, it happened that a wolf really came. The shepherd boy, now truly alarmed, shouted, "Help! Come and help me! The wolf is killing the sheep!" But this time the townsfolk said, "The shepherd boy won't fool us again with that trick." They paid no attention to his cries, and the wolf destroyed the entire flock. When the people saw what happened to their sheep, they were very angry. There is no believing a liar, even when he speaks the truth. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.